So the voucher project was entitled Accurately Tracking a Heavy-Duty Industrial Conveyor for Nissan Manufacturing UK. The aim of the project was to develop concepts that could allow them to better track and determine exactly where the car hangers were down the conveyor line, and allow them to therefore implement automation processes into their existing line.
Our task was to look for some low-cost automation solutions to try and aid the assembly process, to make it easier and more flexible to put the vehicle together. We submitted an application into Robott-net to see if they would be interested in working with us on this project. The application was successful, so we met up, visited on site, and we took the project from there. So Robott-net came to site and they took measurements of the carrier as they travelled from station to station. They determined speed, angle, velocity, just the characteristics of the carrier. They took that data away, analysed it, and came back to us with some possible solutions in which we could apply into our production line.
Supporting partner in this voucher was Technalia. They were focusing on the use of vision systems to allow for compensation of tolerances and position. So during this process, the use of a visit to Sunderland enabled us to develop a number of concepts to do automated grommet insertion using a variety of different automation applications and using vision systems to compensate for natural inaccuracies in the process. So the expected impact here is focusing more around the ability to put automation in a legacy manual line. This reduces the need for new lines, new factories, and enables us to enhance existing technology and existing processes. So the benefit here for Nissan, again, is looking at enhancing existing systems and not having to build new factories and not having to do new assembly lines, but to also develop what they already have.